Welcome back to Meals with Marcia. Today I'm going to share a recipe with you, and it is called white trash candy. I'm excited to show you this, so let's get started. This is something I found on the internet, and man, it is delicious, and it's really easy to do, and it's something that you can do if you're having a party for Christmas, or if you want to give this out just like small little gifts or whatever. If you have some boxes, it's just going to be really good. So the first thing you need is you need a box of rice Chex. This is a 12-ounce box, or 9 cups of rice Chex, okay? Then you need a 16-ounce pack of dry roasted peanuts, and then an 8-ounce bag of plain M&Ms. Now, the recipe calls for Christmas M&Ms. I did not have them, and this is a 10-ounce bag. That's all I could find, so I'm going to use almost all of these. And then you need a 24-ounce bag of the white vanilla candy coating almond bark. This is the Walmart brand, or you can buy the Candy Quick brand. That's what I used to always buy, but now I just buy the Walmart brand. And you cook that in the microwave. It takes about 3 minutes. You do like a minute and you stir it really good. It comes in these little squares, and you break them up and you put them in there for like a minute, and you stir it, then you put it in there for like another minute, stir it, another minute, stir it. And if it seems thick, you can thin it down with a little Crisco shortening, you know, like that you get in the sticks. I put just about, I don't know, a tablespoon of shortening in there to thin it down so it's going to spread good. Anyway, you do it until it's just smooth, until it's completely smooth. As you can see, there's no lumps in it, so that's ready. So we've got our, can't get this open. Got my rice Chex in there, and I'm going to do almost all these M&Ms. I'm going to save a few because it says 8 ounces. Then I'm going to do this whole pack of dry roasted peanuts, I think. Yeah, I think so. And you need a big bowl, guys. This makes a lot in a big bowl. So I'm just going to take my hands and mix it all together. I probably could have used a spoon, but I've washed my hands. They're clean. Nobody panic. All right. And then I'm going to pour this. That's hot. Let me get my little hand thing here. That's a little hot. I'm just going to pour this over all of my stuff. I'm going to get every last little bit out of it, because we need that. This makes a lot, and I'm making this for my Christmas dinner for my family. I always do a Christmas dinner the Saturday before Christmas for my family. They like finger foods at Christmas, so I usually cook a ham and rolls. I make a ham and roll with rolls, and then I do like sausage balls, pigs in a blanket, cheese ring, you know, cheese ball, those kind of things. And my mom's gonna come help me cook, and my stepmom's gonna make some rotel dip. We like rotel. And you're gonna do this till it gets all good and coated, but don't be too rough because you'll break up all the rice cereal in there. You don't want to tear it up and crunch it up, but you just stir this up really good so everything is coated, okay? So super easy, y'all, super easy. Makes me want to tear into it right now, but it's got to set up. All right, so it looks like it's pretty well coated. It's what she's looking like. Okay, I'm gonna set that to the side. And then I'm going to get out some non-stick parchment paper or wax paper, whichever one you have. Either one will work. Let me get that white chocolate off there. And I haven't opened this one up yet, so bear with me. You need to kind of work fast, and here I'm over here, can't get my stuff open after I'm saying I need to work fast, because this stuff starts to set up. You want it to be spread out so you can break it up. All right, so let's get this open. A good sized piece of parchment paper, and if it's not enough, you can just put some more down. Flip it over if it's gonna act crazy. There we go. All right, let's pour this out on it. I think I'm gonna have enough space. If not, like I said, I can put a little bit more parchment paper, but I believe, I hope. If not, I'll do some more. Get all the last little bits of that out. Now you can probably add pretzels into this if you wanted another crunch, but I love rice Chex. I don't really eat that as a cereal, but I love to buy the Chex mix and eat it just for a snack. I just love the crunch of those rice Chex. I could eat them all day long. Love them. So just kind of do it in a thin layer. Get it spread out. Get my stuff out of the way here. And we're gonna let this sit for a little bit. Just spread it out pretty, you know, a thin layer. Don't leave it too clumpy. Like I said, if you feel like you need to put some more wax paper out, go ahead and do that. I think I've got enough. Let's push this out. That didn't get enough wax paper out, but I believe I'm gonna be all right. Whoop, it's coming out. And you need some counter space to be able to do this, because like I said, you got to spread it out and let it cool. So I got my island cleaned off here so I can just kind of, all right, that's looking pretty good. Maybe. All right, now, okay, we're just gonna let this sit here. I don't know, maybe 10 minutes, because we gotta let it dry and set up. The candy quick's gonna dry and set up. And then I'll come back and we will break it up and put it in a container and try it for the first time. And this should keep about 2 weeks in an airtight container, guys. All right, let me get my little peanut over here. Don't want to lose nothing. Okay, I think I got it spread out pretty good. I hope, anyway. All right, now I'm gonna let this sit. Like I said, 5-10 minutes. I'll let you know how long I let it sit when I come back. But then when I'll come back and it's set up, we're gonna break it apart and we'll put it in the container, okay? And we'll taste it together for the first time. All right, I'll be back in just a few minutes. Hey everybody, welcome back. Okay, I've been letting my white trash candy sit here for about 10 minutes, and it looks like it's mostly set up and dry. So I just got me a large container here. It's just a plastic container, and I'm going to just break this up. I'm gonna break it up and put it in this container. I might have to have a larger container than this one, but hopefully this will hold all of it. If not, I'll get me some more. But you just break it up and put it in there. Kind of roll it and break it up. This is such a nice little snack, I'm telling you. It's so good. It's got the sweet and the savory in it. It's so good. I don't know, this may not hold it all. I don't know. Go this direction. But we're just going to put it in this container, just like so. That's what I'm going to do, okay? You don't have to sit here and watch me do all that. I'm just letting you know how it's working. So you just do that, okay? That's how you do it. So let's taste it real quick. Here's a little piece. It's got a peanut, an M&M, and a Chex. That is delicious stuff. I love that so much. All right, there it is. Start to finish white trash candy. So easy, so quick. And you got a cute little snack to give away to your friends, or just have at your party or take to a party. And it makes a ton. As you can see, I'm gonna have to have another container. I'll have to go get one out of my closet, but there it is. White trash candy. Let me have one more bite. So good. All right. Sorry. I'm crunching on my snacks. Guys, if you enjoyed this, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Meals with Marcia, and don't forget that everything you need and how to make this is going to be in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching. God bless, and I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.